Oh, I'm accidentally trapping myself on the highway. Whoops! I didn't mean to do this. This was a mistake. I should have turned left then. I know where I am now. I should have turned left. Ah, shiza. Man, crap. I'll find a place to turn around, I guess. Speaking of highways and stuff, I want to visit Heather in Illinois in about June. I mean, I plan on going over there in August anyways to move, but well, that says I can't make a U-turn there. Why not? Why do you hate freedom, damn communists? I don't know. Should I do a Motor Madness episode, a few episodes where it's me just on the highway? Like, should I do a Road Trip Motor Madness series of episodes? Like, would that be cool? Like, could this, do you think, be entertaining? Like, you guys let me know. Like, obviously I can't record for the whole thing because it's a 4-hour drive, and I don't think these things can record for that long. At least I don't think. I love how smooth these roads are. It's so nice. Let's get over here, just so I can turn around when I can. Where's the U-turns? Where do I turn around? Look at how nice it is, though. 76 degrees, according to this. And 100 miles left on my tank as well. I'll get back into the right lane. Goddamn Franklin County. And that wouldn't have been very fun to do a U-turn in. This is the route I usually take when I go to visit Heather. Or eventually in August, move there. And then I can do more Motor Madness episodes in Illinois. And the roads will be nicer. Hi, WRX. Now I need to turn around. Catch up to the blue WRX. Come on, I gotta catch up to someone today. Alright, here we go. Alright. Coming up on a turn. Really? I'm not allowed to do this here? Fuck you guys. Fourth! Woo! Can't touch this. Do. Is that a vet? That looks like a C5. Thank you, good sir, for moving out of the way. Come on, let's catch that Subaru. Iowa City, next 3 exits. That's probably where the Subaru's going. I'm looking for a nice rally blue Subaru. Is that what it's called? Is it rally blue? Or am I mixing colors? Because Mitsubishi has rally red. I'm not sure now. Come on, let's catch this car. I was going pretty fast in the opposite direction for a little while, so who knows? I might not be able to catch this guy. I think that's my exit. Shit. Fuck. God damn it. Sorry, boys. Just trying to get my fucking GPS back. There we go. Now, let's go back to my apartment. Okay. I haven't managed to catch a single car. I mean, that's just... Ugh. I hate third gear. I need a new transmission in this car. I'd love to put an STI transmission in here. Because that gear grinding drives me freaking nuts. Alright, come on. Anything. Just give me a good car to chase. Where is everybody? I mean, I've seen an Evo. I've seen a blue WRX. Couldn't catch up to either of them. The WRX I missed because I took a wrong turn, most likely. How long have I been doing this for? I have been recording for 50 minutes. Not bad. Not bad. No one has tried to call me. Probably because everyone knows I'm driving. Thankfully. And recording. Well, Heather knows I'm recording. Everyone else usually doesn't call me. My parents sometimes call me when I'm recording and it cuts out the audio and I go, ah, crap. I swear to God, if I see another nice car going in the opposite direction, I am driving across the grass. Oh, look, a Hummer. Was it an H2 or an H3? There's an H3, right? I know there was an H2. I need to turn on the air conditioning again because I'm getting a little hot. A little sweaty. Oh, Subaru WRX. That looked like an STI. Whee! Yeah, that's an STI. That is a good color. Rumble, rumble. Oh, he's turning. I thought we were brothers. Ah! You abandoned me. How could you? I can't turn left there. That just goes into a hotel. Rumble, 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 rumble. You can see them vibrating. The bikes, not the people. Oh my God. Someone called me after all. I'm gonna have to fix the audio now. God damn. Ah, freaking phone calls. It's one of my least favorite things in life. I hate phone calls. They're disruptive. I'm socially awkward. It's just, There's 2 police cars there now. Yes, yes, I know it's red. I'm waiting for it to become green. Ah! My camera just frickin' attacked me. Oh well. Let's put this back. I saw the Subaru again. I caught him. I caught a car. Yeah, I did it. We are the champions. You are going to be going straight. I hope you aren't signaling otherwise. Heck. Go. Go. Thank you for honking at them. Ooh. Another Corvette. I've seen 3 different generations of Corvette. I saw the C5, the C7, and now that thing. Now let's see if this works on the first try. Button press. It worked on the first try. What the hell? I'm also going to turn off the camera glasses. How does this sound? Usually the traction control stops the tires from squealing. Well, thank you guys so much for watching Motor Madness. I hope you all enjoyed these past few episodes. Any feedback you have, please give it to me. Give it to me. And I will see you guys in future episodes. I am Tom, the Racing Joker, and I'll see you all next time. Stay crazy, everybody. Bye-bye.